Chris here from Apollo Scooters, Canada's e-mobility destination. Today, we're super excited to introduce to you an absolute beast of a scooter. Introducing today the Apollo Pro. As the name suggests, this is a scooter designed for riders looking for ultimate performance. Extremely powerful, offering plenty of range, and featuring a high-performing suspension system. It is the last scooter in the Apollo 2020 lineup, a range focused on cutting out the middleman and bringing the best quality scooters with none of the usual markups to the place we love the most here in Canada. So without further ado, let's look what's in the box. So standard charger comes in the box, single with a Canadian/US wall plug. It also comes with a full tool set, which is great. It gives you all the different sizes. Here's your handlebar. It comes with dual 1000 watt motors for a total power of 2000 watts, with a peak output of 2400 watts. This translates into a top speed of around 65 kilometers an hour or 40 miles per hour. Now that's fast for a scooter. Powered by a 52 volt 23.5 Ah battery with Dynavolt cells. Dynavolt is a leading manufacturer of batteries for motorcycles, focused on high performance and durability. Overall, the Pro will deliver 80 to 90 kilometers or 53 miles of range in good conditions, or 60 to 70 kilometers or 40 miles in realistic conditions. The Pro comes with 10-inch pneumatic tires with dual high-performance suspension, really giving you incredible comfort while riding. It comes with triple braking system, front disc brakes and rear disc brakes, both of which can be upgraded to hydraulic brakes. There's also a third braking mechanism, which is electric motor braking, the strength of which can be controlled in the settings, which we'll show you in a different video. The frame of the Pro is made with forged aluminium, able to support up to 150 kilos or 330 pounds. Charging time is between 10 to 12 hours and the input voltage is AC 110 to 240 volts. But this charging time can be cut down in half with either a fast charger, or the Pro also comes with 2 charging ports, which allows you to put 2 chargers at the same time to cut this in half. The weight of the scooter is 35 kilograms, so 77 pounds, so it is definitely on the heavier side. But it does fold, so you can easily put it in car trunks, bring it in the office, or store it in your home. The Pro comes with a speedometer powered with the index finger versus the usual thumb, which allows you to commute for longer distances without hurting your thumb. A design improvement making it much more comfortable for additional control as well. The Pro has 3 different power modes, 1, 2, and 3, which really limit your speed. For example, Gear 1 gets you to around 30 kilometers an hour, Gear 2 45, and Gear 3 60 to 65 kilometers an hour. You also have 2 different options of choosing single or dual motor, and eco and turbo, which allows you to also play with your speed at the times given. Overall, this is an extremely high performance scooter for those looking for an off-road machine, or perhaps a heavy-duty scooter to replace their car with. The scooter is now available for pre-order, with delivery in late March, early April of 2020. It will retail at 2,499 Canadian dollars, so roughly 1,850 US dollars, with free shipping Canada and US wide. It is available with a number of upgrades as well, such as winter tires, hydraulic brakes, fast chargers, and more. And lastly, with all the scooters of the Apollo range, this scooter comes with 24 months of full inclusive warranty. This stock is super limited in pre-order availability, so make sure to get your extremely powerful beast today. Thanks very much for watching our unboxing video, guys. Stay tuned to watch a Pro full review video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.